Hello everyone, I'm here to introduce the tic-tac-toe game. First, we enter the simulated environment. In the first step, we can place our game board. As you can see, I designed the chessboard style for our game board. After placing it, we can continue to move our game board by clicking the Move Board button, just like this. Next, we can see there are three buttons on the upper right. Here, I provided users with three game modes: playing against other users, or playing against AI. AI is also divided into easy and hard mode. I will show you later. Let's play the game now. I first choose to play against other players. After I took a step, the chess pieces appeared on the chessboard. The cross-style chess piece was a 3D object generated by Blender. In this part of taking step, I designed different colors for the players, and at the same time I added the animation effect of their appearance to make the game more interesting. Then we just take steps, and after the game is over, the UI design would appear. It is tie. Different players win corresponding to different displays. Here we click Restart to return the initial interface. Next, we try to play against the AI. I will demonstrate the hard AI here. You can see when I about to win, he will block me and try to win the game at its will. Yeah, X win. Let's take a quick look at the script. AI player implements AI to play chess. Easy AI is done with random. Hard AI is done with one-step search. Canvas control realize the display of UI. Place game board is just like its name describes. Board manager implements a series of steps to judge the state of the board and control the process. Great uses untouched 3D to perform operations in each small part of game board.